Now it's time for interesting fact time. Do you know that, like in multiplication, each part of the division operation has a name? The first part, or the total number that we are going to split up, is called the dividend. The number of parts that we are going to split the dividend by is called the divisor. And the answer to the division operation is called the quotient. So for 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, or 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, and 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2, the first part, or the total size that we are about to split up, is called the dividend. Then the number of times that we are going to split the dividend, or the size of the equal sections that we are going to split up the dividend by, is the divisor. And the result of the division operation is called the quotient. If you found this video helpful, give us a like or a thumbs up. We will really appreciate it. Also, watch our other math help videos and playlists that we made for you. Keep on learning.